Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say sweet dreams when you go to bed and you wish somebody sweet dreams, but in French we'll be looking at how to say more interesting and useful French words and vocabulary and names, brand names, etc. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So how do you pronounce this phrase? Fait, meaning have some, fait de, beaux rêves. Beau being French for beautiful or sweet in this case, and then rêve being French for dreams. So you would notice that the X to beau is silent because it's the last letter, so is the S to rêve. So beau rêve, not box rêves, but rather beau rêve. Just ignore the last letters. Fait de beaux rêves. Fait de beaux rêves is how you would say sweet dreams in French. Fait de beaux rêves meaning have some sweet dreams or beautiful dreams. Fait de beaux rêves is how you pronounce this phrase, how you say sweet dreams in French. And now you know more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci. Au revoir.